Hello everyone, welcome back. Now here you have to let us start working about your register page. So I think we don't have that. So let me create first. Go to the app folder and then we need to create here register files. Not a file first, folders because it is a if it is a modern routing system inside it, whatever you create the folder that automatically become the roots. So here it is register. Then inside it here you have to create the file that is a page.js. Okay, now you have to copy paste code from the inside template. Okay, no worry about in these folders. We will provide with the source code, so you have to just copy paste and use it here. Then this is a create account, and then this is I think simple static code. So copy this. Okay. First thing, what you will do, create a component folders inside my app. So here new folder, it is create, it is a component. This is a here component. Okay, then inside it here create account folder, new folder, create account. Okay, inside it and that your file, this one, this is here. Let me copy, then inside it paste it here. Okay, create account.js file as well as create account style. So copy this, create a new file, paste it. This is it, this is the style. Okay, for this create account.js file for your register files. So you see it is just CSS code, like you see it is a root and then containers and then back buttons, then you have a meta logo, then titles. Okay, then subtitles, labels, input, all that. It is styles. For this it is your register files that you have import here. This is your create account styles at the rate dot first slash create account styles. You know how to import styles here. Create account style, this file I want to import inside a create account.js files. So it is very simple. That is a named export, import create account style from the create account style, and then this is a here arrow back icon. You have to go to the material UI and search for this. Then you got it here, arrow back. Okay, let me go to the Google. Just I want to explain everything. Here MAY icon materials. Go to the material.coms and then you have to search for what? Arrow. This one kind of this symbols. Okay, you have to copy it and reuse it. This is just paste it, and then this is all the materials: component, box, button, UI, menu buttons, menu items, select, text, field, typography. You have to search here. Okay, I have imported everything from here. Like this is search, and then okay, what we have here, buttons or box. So here if you need button, and then you have to search for it, and you got buttons, this component here. Just now you have to import this is button, and similarly box, then menu item, select, text field, typography. So you have to import all that, and then use router from the next navigations, from the next navigations. You know about the next navigation. Let me copy this and then go to the Google, search for it. This is next navigations. Here from use it is used to redirect it between the pages where we have that. Okay, it is the loading skeletons, and loading skeleton. Okay. Okay, go to the JS. Use search params. Use. Okay, this is the use path name from the next navigations. Go to the here linking and navigations. Okay, where we have that. This is use path name, and then okay, you see here, use routers. Import use router from the next navigations, and you have to just redirect between the pages router.post and then / dashboards. Got it? So it's simple. I have just copied this line of code inside your projects here. Okay, it is used to navigate between the pages. Okay, now after that here we have what math like month. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, September, October, November, December, and then this is your styles. Okay, now I think that's much enough. And then here your form. Okay, the one thing I want to explain here, your styles like you see here, SX styles. Okay, it is just first CSS code like here. For each X you see here HX styles, and then HX, I mean SX, then SX, SX. Okay, external. Just setting the additional style. Here create account style dot root means what? I mean this one. This is here create account styles. Okay, I mean these files, and then you have to access its roots styles, then dot container, then dot back button means this one on the top. This is here root, then container with 100% max width, then back button color white, cursor pointer MB, then font size. Okay, now I hope you got the idea. What is this SX? It is just a additional styles. Okay, create account style dot roots, and then create account style dot containers, and then for the back button we have this styles. This is now let me check it here, and here you have to go to register page, and if everything is going well you will see what default export is not React component. Okay, I know that what is this one. Okay, now this is time to this create account.js files. You have to import inside this folders inside it here. So for it one we've already just it is a basic code line of code, so you have to use here. So you see this is create account means what? Let me again explain. This is here this file create account.js file. Simply you have to import inside page.js files. You know this is app means it is a app routing system. Okay, in the latest Nextjs, whatever you create the folders that automatically will be the root. So this file create account.js files import inside the page.js files. Okay, inside app you see this one, this component another folder, app another folder. So inside component we have these files inside a create account folder, create account.js files. So I want to import just these files inside app here page.js files. This is, and then how to import. So here, so let's understand. Okay, anyone here if you want to import any folders files from the component. Okay, this component. Okay, later on in this component folder we have a lot of folders files. Then how you can import inside app. Okay, in any folders. So this is simple. Make sure that you have in the root directory. Root directory means this is my app, and then this is a component. Okay, so from the component you have to use @ symbol / then your that particular folder name whatever you have in the root directory, like suppose inside public. Okay, if here we have any folder, then you have to write @ / then that particular folder names, like this is a public and this is a component. So you have to write this is a must thing and then / and then that particular folder's name, this is component. Then inside it we have another folder that is a create account. Then inside it we have the files create account. Okay, so this files now this create account.js files now available inside a register page here create account, and then you have to render. Okay, export default function page and then create account. Then here you have to refresh and you got in the here like I mean what loading is not defined. So because we have used loading state inside these folders, this is here this is loading phase 2, then you have to show this text, otherwise this text, about ternary operator, okay, in the React, how to conditionally render the text or component. So this is create data states, const loading, then set loading, it is equal to use state, and then false. Got it? Export default function create account, const loading, set loading with state false. Now you see here, this is your form. Got it? Here it is month, then this is day, and then this is a year. It is not visual, not about it. We will fix all that issue. So here you see, this is what you got. The issue router is not defined in unit. So this is your uh, Instagram register page. Okay, it is exactly similar to like that Instagram. You have to check it. Okay, like full name, then username, then submit button. Here mobile numbers or emails. Now here we need to create the state variable for this email, for this password, for birth date, for days, for years, then phone name, then username. Okay, so in the next lecture we will create all the state variable and then try to submit data to the server. So in the next lecture we will create all the state variables here. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.